Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get tons of Blum Coin. So make sure you'll watch till the end and catch all the tips. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Log in daily to receive your daily rewards. This often includes Blum Coins, so don't miss out. Step 2. Use free spins to win coins and other rewards. It's a quick way to grab some extra Blum Coins. Step 3. Participate in special events. Many events offer Blum Coins as rewards, so keep an eye out of those. Step 4. Complete in-game tasks and milestones. This usually give out large coin bonuses, which can add fast. Step 5. Invest your coins wisely. Upgrade properties or unlock features that will generate more coins over time. Step 6. Engage with your friends and join communities. Sharing and receiving coins is a great way to build your stash. Step 7. Watch out for promotional codes. The game's social media or newsletters often drop this, and they can give you free coins. Step 8. Watch ads to earn coins in exchange. It's a simple way to rack up extra coins without much effort. Step 9. If you're comfortable spending money, you can use in-app purchases to buy coin packs. Step 10. Complete offers or surveys on affiliated platforms. This is another great way to earn Blum coins for free. And that's it. Follow the simple steps. You'll have tons of Blum coin in no time. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.